Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. If you ever working on a Flutter app or web app, and then you will see that there is this kind of behavior where the scroll bar that shows up, and it could be very annoying. It doesn't look good. So like as you can see over here, the scroll bar always shows up. So how to get rid of this thing? Go ahead and create a Dart file. You can call the class anything, it doesn't matter. Make sure that you go ahead and extend scroll behavior class, and within it you have to override two methods. Make sure both of the methods they return child, and after that wherever you want, go ahead and implement that scroll behavior class, the one that you created. Now in this case, this single child behavior, I'm going to wrap this around a widget. The widget itself is called scroll configuration. So let's go ahead and do that. And after that, over here you have to have this behavior property, and here we'll assign no scroll bar behavior class, the class that we have created earlier. The scroll bar over here, it's gone. But actually you can also apply it globally so that you don't have to attach it every time. So in my case, I'm using get material app, and here there is a property called scroll behavior, and within it here we'll assign no scroll behavior class, the one that we created earlier. We'll see that this scroll behavior has been applied globally in our application. Now as you can see that over here it's gone, and as well as over here we don't see the scroll bar anymore, which makes Flutter web application experience beautiful.